How are you?
Welcome.
No, I want to look at some consonants that we have done before. I want to check revise some for our revision week. How many consonants do we have?
24.
Can you name it? Awesome.
B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z.
W, Z, S, Z, N. Also have T, S, D, T, the theta from T, and the TH from D, the T from which is T, and the TH from which is D sound, and DZ. So now, example of give me some example for D now. Some example of D. Where's that have the consonant sound D?
Digger.
Very good. Very good. Digger, drum, daddy.
Drug.
Because you can see D sounds there, drug, and so on and so forth. G, G, the G sound, which can be G, GH, or in GG form. For G now, we have examples, those words. Like girl, God,
Goat.
very good. Very good. Goat, ghost,
Ghost.
gift,
Giggle.
very good. Google, very good. Then example of the H for H sound. H,
House.
house, very good.
Art.
House, art, as, O, very good. And the are what for H sound. We also have example of M. Give me example of M.
Malt.
Very good.
Meat.
Very good.
Matter.
Matter.
Male.
Male.
Material.
Material. Very good. And also have the S, which can be in S, SH. It can be SU, CH, or SS. For the S, which is what? Shoe, shell, machine.
Shirt.
That machine is machine. No she sound. Show, sure, and so on and so forth. Then for the TS, which is it can be CH or TUR, the spelling in words, the TS, which is chalk, church,